Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'll be showing you exactly how to create monthly, weekly, and daily trend lines in Power BI. If you've ever wanted to break down your sales data to spot trends and patterns across different time frames, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be confident in visualizing your data at a daily, weekly, and monthly level, so you can make smarter decisions and impress your team with clear, interactive reports. Let's dive right in. So to start, I've got a table set up with all the essentials: date, sales, day, week, month, and year columns. If your table looks different, don't worry, having the right columns makes it easier to group or filter your visuals, which is what we'll need for these trend lines. Think of these columns as the foundation of your report. Each one lets you create a specific view of your data, kind of like looking at your business through different camera angles. Now let's jump to Power BI and build our first trend line, the daily view. Go ahead and select the line chart visual from the panel. It should look like a little wavy line. Once you've added it to the canvas, here's what you want to do. Drag the day column into the x-axis area. This sets up the horizontal axis so each point represents a single day. Then grab your sales column and drop it into the y-axis. This will plot your sales figures for every day, helping you track daily fluctuations or spot spikes and dips. Maybe you see big jumps on weekends or lower numbers on holidays. If your day column isn't showing up properly, double-check your formatting. It should represent individual days, not just the name of the day. Next, let's switch to a weekly trend line. Click on a new line chart visual, and this time drag your week column onto the x-axis. Doing this aggregates your sales data by week instead of day, so each point on the chart shows the total sales for an entire week. Then again, move your sales column to the y-axis. This weekly view is fantastic for identifying broader patterns. For example, you might spot that sales peak in certain weeks of the month or drop off at the end of a quarter. If your week data looks odd, remember some tables use week numbers like 1, 2, 3, and others use actual dates, so choose the format that makes sense for your analysis. For the monthly trend line, repeat the same process. Grab another line chart and put your month column on the x-axis, with sales on the y-axis. Now you're seeing sales trends over entire months, and this is great for identifying seasonality, growth, or declines over time. Maybe you'll notice summer months do better, or perhaps December has a big spike. Monthly trend lines give you that big picture view. We're not done yet. Let's add a slicer to make your report interactive. Grab the slicer visual and place it somewhere on your canvas. Then drag the date column into the slicer. What this does is let you filter all your trend lines by specific dates. Say you only want to look at data from last year or just a particular month. Click and drag your mouse across the slicer to choose your time frame. This makes your dashboard more dynamic and helps viewers explore the data themselves. One more optional touch. You can add the year column to the tooltip area of your line charts. This means when you hover over data points on your charts, you'll see which year that data belongs to. It's a small feature but can be helpful if you're comparing data across several years. And there you go. By following these steps, you'll have clear, interactive line charts for daily, weekly, and monthly trends, all in Power BI. Take a moment to play around with the slicer and see how the visuals respond. It's a great way to really understand your sales flow. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and consider subscribing so you don't miss more practical Power BI tips. Got questions or want to see other visualizations? Drop them in the comments below. I'll be there to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.